So I'm now going to jump into a demonstration of RestoreManager. RestoreManager is deployable as a virtual appliance and can quickly be deployed and configured so that you can start to get a clearer picture of the data within the snapshots, snap mirrors, and snap vaults within your NetApp estate. NetApp is a market leader and does a fantastic job at providing world-class storage solutions. However, finding out what is stored in your black boxes, detailing what is happening, and enabling file level recovery from snapshots, snap mirrors, and snap vaults is very difficult. And this only becomes more difficult the larger environments get. This is where RestoreManager steps in and provides a centralized file catalog. Everything in the product has been built around speed and simplicity, and as you can see, the GUI is very easy to view and navigate. As Richard mentioned, we utilize the SnapDiff API to gather file metadata via periodic incremental crawls and store this information in our scalable Elasticsearch database. In the first part of this demonstration, I will show how we can use RestoreManager to find and recover a file from a snapshot. As you can see here, I have my logo_catalogic.png open. This could be a key file to your business. It might be something in the marketing department need for the next mass mail out, and effectively it's a very important file at this point in time in this example. I'm going to accidentally now delete this file. And as you can see, that file is now gone from my share. So I've got a panicked marketing manager banging on my door asking me, I've lost my file, how do I get my file back? Somebody's accidentally removed it. This is where RestoreManager steps in and excels. So if I click into the RestoreManager launch card, I've got the capability in here now to search through. And it's going to show me now the available files and paths that are available to recover from. If I select my file in here, I can restore my file. It'll give me a number of options for the restore, so I can use SIFS access instead of SnapMirror snapshot when possible. I can restore from another source if I want to, where I can go to an AltaVault specific source or an alternate source in there. For the purpose of the demonstration, obviously I'm going to use it from a snapshot. I can manually select my snapshot in here so I can see what snapshots specifically have that file available within it. So within here you can see I'm going to go back to the most recent snapshot. I can also go to an alternate destination path. I can also put in here a new file name if I wish, or I can restore the whole folder. But for the purpose of the demo, I'll use the defaults and just simply restore that file. So if I click on Restore, as you can see, SIFS has failed, obviously, because we're not utilizing SNFs here, we're using SnapDiff. SnapDiff will utilize that and will restore that file from the snapshot that's been selected, and that's been restored successfully. And that has been done incredibly quickly. So if I go back now into here, we'll see at the bottom of the folder, I have my logo_catalogic.png restored. Disaster averted, marketing team are happy again, they can use that picture for the mass mail out they're going to do. So really shows the power, how easy it is to start searching through your data via RestoreManager. We can also in here as well utilize the tree view. So if you're unsure on the file names, but you know specifically which path the file's within, you can start to search down and look within here and see specifically what data you have available to restore from snapshots as well. So that's pretty cool. In the second part of this demonstration, I'm going to show you how we can utilize the Cabana Dashboards to start to visualize the metadata we have stored within the Elasticsearch database. Now this is a real powerful capability of the product that gives us the ability to start to delve into the data, analyze that data, and understand how specifically your data is working within your environment and what is happening within the environment. So on Cabana Dashboards loading, this will then load the inode details dashboard by default. So this gives you an overview of the specific file types in the environment, any changes that are ongoing in the environment as well, and you can start to drill down into specific clusters, SVMs, volumes and shares to start to visualize information. There are a set of default dashboards in here as well, so we can start to look into permissions, groups, overviews, space distribution, etc., and start to get a clearer picture of what is happening within the environment. One of the other powerful capabilities is it gives us the ability to start to run specific discovery reports within the environment that you can custom build. So if we look into here, I've built a custom report around the last access time within the environment, and we can start to see specifically within the relevant monitored SVMs and volumes what files are being accessed. So we can start to drill down and understand what is ongoing within the environment and what is happening with regards to access. You can do the same for modified as well, and we can start to drill down over set periods of time. So you can go to last 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, or even back as far as a year within here as well, to start to understand what's happening within the estate. That information as well within here can also be exported. So once you've got the information you need, you can bring it out into a CSV report, you can generate the CSV, and that information then within here can effectively be downloaded, and you can start to search through an Excel spreadsheet as well. And there's the Excel spreadsheet opened. So gives you some really, really powerful tools in terms of the ability to be able to start to understand what is going on within your NetApp file systems, and also provide you with the simplicity to be able to start to recover files from snapshots, snap mirrors, and snap bolts. And that is RestoreManager in a nutshell, guys. Thanks very much for your time.